very much sort of mood, just...
Good morning, Vlogmas day 9 I think we're on. Change of scenery today. I'm out and about on a photo shoot with LANX, the shoe brand that I work for. So yeah, modelling the new collection today. We're shooting like a campaign video of some new kind of hiking boot style. I'm really looking forward to it. The hiking boots are like my most worn pair so far. And this is a new version of them, so that's very nice. And we've got a beautiful day for it. We're here outside the inn at Whitewell. We've got a little team here. Going to be shooting kind of cosy vibes by the fire, having a nice meal, out for a walk, all that kind of a thing. It's going to be just quite a nice chill day, I think. We don't have too many to shoot, so it's not a mad rush like it sometimes is. But I thought I'd bring you along for a different sort of day in the life. In the last few days I've been photographer Lily, I've been designer Lily. Today I am model / stylist Lily. Is my different personas, but yeah, I thought I'd show you what goes on behind the scenes on one of these photo shoots, so hope you enjoy. Very old pair of my LANX boots I've had for a few years at the moment, but shall be changing into one of the new styles very shortly.
Over shoulder coming in to go. Yep.
What we're shooting today.
Hi Lee, how are you? We are shooting today our new 365 boots, sneak peek. Exclusive for lily.com, whatever it is you do these days. Is this your 10th piece of content for today? Or 11?
Something like that.
So we're in the inn at Whitewell, the beautiful inn at Whitewell, and we are shooting our new 365 hiker style boots coming out in February. So yeah, really looking forward to getting some fish pie here, going for a walk at the stepping stones, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life.
While you're on a roll, keep you going.
At 11 AM for all the shots.
It was so interesting.
Morning shots done. We've been shooting by the fire, having some nice food, a little drink. Yeah, no, we're just about to head down to the river to shoot. So Michael's getting in the waders. We'll see how this goes. The waders with a hole in them, so that's really effective. You excited, Michael?
Can't wait for this. What's it? Okay.
Case when you fish.
Riding up.
Where's the dog?
In the car.
Oh.
That was my question.
Can be. Over there, I might just leave it.
Here from there, Lee, just go from there, go join Marco, just you guys carry on.
My love. Ruined it.
My love.
Minute looked like they've had an argument.
Sweet.
When they come back.
Shoot's going well. I've almost fallen on my backside a couple of times being towed along by the dog, but getting some really good shots, and I think we've picked like the perfect day for it. We all seem to get rain when we need rain and sun when we need sun, so it's worked out quite nicely. But just well and truly tested the boots now. They are looking awful muddy and boggy, but it's fine. That's what they're there for. Apologies if the footage is now a bit smudgy because the camera has got a little bit of rain, water spray, whatever on it. But yeah, it's going really well. Have a quick look at the shots on the back of the camera and they're looking really nice. So I think we've just got a few more shots to do now. I'm not quite sure what Patrick, the videographer, has in mind, but I'm blindly following along, just doing as I'm told. Yeah, and then we should be wrapped up fairly early by the looks of it. It's quite dramatic skies. We've got blue skies, we've got grey skies, we've got it all going on. I imagine there must be a rainbow somewhere. Yeah, not a bad Monday. Links did shots on the drone and then they drove it off. So we're just chilling. Not very waving, are we? And they just left us. Swapped out my LANX hat back into lilykate makes, reckon. Back in my comfort zone. Checker plate hat on there, like a little bright hat. But yeah, don't even know where we are. We're just on a road in the middle of nowhere now. I've been abandoned. So hopefully they're on their way back for us and they were just getting out of the way to get clear pass for the drone to film. Dunno. We'll be thumbing a lift back.